Hi everybody, I'm here to talk to you about plank pose today. So let's jump right in. Let's start with our hands shoulder width apart. Place them toward the top of your mat. Fingers spread wide, engaging those fingers. The finger pads are pushing into your top of your mat. Notice how my feet are flat on the mat right now. When I go into plank pose, I'm gonna start by tucking my toes under. So you can see the difference from here to here. Tuck your toes under, and then you're gonna push off of your feet. And then you want to adjust your legs and feet according so that your shoulders are still over your wrists. So my hands are shoulder width apart. My feet are about hip width distance apart. Now I'm here, a couple of things that I want to note. My kneecaps, it's almost like they're reaching toward the sky. My shoulder blades may need to be tucked a little bit, drawing those shoulder blades together. My gaze is down, but slightly in front of me. So you should be able to see a long straight line from the top of my head all the way down to my feet. My hips are tucked. My core is engaged, feeling it. Okay, bringing your belly button up toward the sky, breathing. An option as well when you're in your high plank, you can always drop to your knees. So whether you're here or just do the same motion but drop your knees, I'm still in high plank. Many variations that can help you get to where you want to go in yoga. So practicing this pose, maybe you start here and you say, I'm feeling the engagement, I'm feeling the workout. I need to breathe a little extra to help me in this pose. But then every now and then, you can bring your knees up and then back down. So whether you're here in plank or here, having that nice, strong core, knees are lifted. If you're here, you just have active legs. And then whether you go down to your chaturanga or push back to downward facing dog, or hold that for a little while. There are many different poses and asanas you can go into from plank pose. We'll be talking about another one called chaturanga in another video coming up. So look out for that one. Thanks for coming today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.